Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn how to create a random number generator app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with ChatGPT. This app will allow you to generate a random number between a minimum and maximum value that you input. Step 1. Setting up the HTML file. The first step is to create a new HTML file and add the necessary markup. We'll need a container div to hold all the elements of the app, an h1 element for the title, a paragraph to explain what the app does, 2 input fields for the minimum and maximum values, a button to generate the random number, and a div to display the result. Step 2. Styling the app with CSS. Next, we'll style the app using CSS. We'll set a maximum width for the container and center it on the page, add some margin and padding to the elements, and style the button to make it look like a call to action. Step 3. Adding functionality with JavaScript. Finally, we'll add some JavaScript code to generate the random number when the user clicks the Generate button. We'll use the math random method to generate a random number between 0 and 1, and then multiply it by the difference between the maximum and minimum values. We'll then add the minimum value to the result to get the final random number. That's it. We've successfully created a random number generator app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can customize the app to suit your needs by changing the styling and functionality. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more ChatGPT web development tutorials.